Okay, some oil. Masukkan minyak. Dimasukkan 2 tablespoon of curry powder. Ni dia mie rebus Mama Junara. Awesome! Dapur awesome!
Pada yang belum subscribe tu, sila subscribe. Terima kasih.
Hai geng awesome. Hari ni kita nak share masakan Mama Junara ataupun ini ibu mertua, arwah ibu mertua saya this is recipe from my late mother-in-law. Okay, unfortunately we just met I think about 2 years, then after that she passed on, right? She really loves cooking, so now this mie rebus is her recipe. So I'm curious, okay, dia tak letak keledek atau sweet potato, never put sweet potato or whatever in the recipe, so it's made simple. So I'm going to try this. They say it's very nice. So those keluarga, saudara mara arwah Mama Junara, what do you think? Later you comment below. Alright. So first things first, ini this is a paste. Okay, nak tahu paste dia apa? Okay, the paste is here. So all these are blended together. Then first things first, you add a bit of oil. Okay, some oil. Masukkan minyak. Lepas tu, bahan-bahan yang tadi tu semua dimasukkan. Okay, ini tumis sampai dia matang. So this one you have to cook until it's really cooked, until the smell, the aroma. Masukkan 2 sudu besar serbuk kari 2 tablespoon of curry powder. This one is flour together with water. 1 mangkuk air dengan tepung gandum. Ini masukkan sekali. Masukkan 2 cawan air. Two cups of water. And stir. And you cook until it dries up. Masak sampai pekat It's that simple. Then according to her, add sugar to taste. Taruh gula jadi ini aku letak 3 sudu besar gula dulu, nanti rasa. I think we taste first because I'm not sure how is it going to be. It should be sweet ni patutnya manis kalau kuah mi rebus ni manis. Once the gravy is done, kuah dia dah siap, the rest are just the condiments. Okay? Ni dia mi rebus Mama Junara. So this is my late mother-in-law's mi rebus. So made very simple. Now the condiments. Okay, you have yellow mi, mi kuning, tauge, tahu. Then you have egg and of course chili and lime. Okay, jadi ada limau semua, limau, telur. Ada mi kuning, tauge, telur semua dengan ini tahu. Jadi ini untuk diperahkan. Jemput, bismillah. Rasa dia tak lari Okay, the taste is really nice. Made very simple. Okay, so why not you try it? Okay, Al-Fatihah kepada Junara, Haja Junara binti Haji Hassan. Jadi cubalah, apa lagi tunggu. Awesome.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.